Professor Beckman, do you have a minute? Sure, what can I do for you? Maria? Well, I've decided to apply to the teacher certification program, and I wondered, I'd like it if you would uh, recommend me for the program. Oh, so you want to be a teacher? Good, good, glad to hear it. What level do you want to teach? Actually, grades 6 to 8 interest me the most. I loved school, especially science, when I was that age. Good, glad to hear it. I have a strong sense that you'll be a dedicated teacher. Now, you say you need a letter from me. Yes, would you be able to do that? Of course, I'd be glad to. But tell me more about your decision to teach and why you think you'll be good at it. All right. Well, let me see. I guess I've known for a long time that I wanted to be teacher. Ever since I was in sixth grade myself, I loved science when I was a kid. Still, I love science, and I guess I'm want to share my love of science with kids. I worked with kids before as a camp counselor for 2 summers, teaching nature classes and leading nature hikes and stuff like that. And I just had too much fun with the kids. I think I'm a pretty good counselor, and I love being in the wood myself. Now remind me, cause I tend to forget these things. So you were in my human development course, is that right? Yes, and also general psychology in my freshman year. Right, right. Good, I'm trying to get a handle on this. I recall that your presentation in human development was very well thought over by your classmates. You did a study of adolescence, is that right? Yes, I talked about identity and role confusion. I looked at the two groups and the kids. One 11, of the other 15 years old. The two groups of kids, one 11 and the other 15 years old. Right, you showed slides of children's artwork. That's right, they did self-portraits. It was interesting too because in a lot of ways the younger kids were more expressive and more positive in their image of themselves. The older kids' art was more sophisticated technically. 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 But in a lot of ways it is darker, even in the colors they use. Yes, I recall. Your report was very well done. I remember it well, and I'll mention it in my letter. So when is it that you need it? You need this. My entire application is due on March 15. There's a form for you to use here. You send it directly to the Dean of the School of Education. Right, right. I know these forms. You can just leave it with me. I'll fill it out and see that it get there in time. Thanks, I really appreciate your help, and I'm happy to help.